Okay. First question, method 1. A plus B plus C is 2S. Here I can add A and subtract A. It will become A plus B plus C minus A is equal to 3BC. This is 2S. This is 2S minus 2A is equal to 3BC. I can divide with BC and this down. I'll get S into S minus A by BC is 3 by 4. And we know this is a formula for under root if it is cos A by 2, so it is cos square A by 2. So cos A by 2 is root 3 by 2. And A by 2 means this is 30 degrees, so pi by 6. So A is pi by 3. Method 2, I can just expand this in the form of, B plus C plus A, B plus C minus A. I can write B plus C whole square minus A square is equal to 3BC. When I expand, I'll get B square plus C square minus A square plus 2BC equal to 3BC. I can send this 2BC that side. I'll get B square plus C square minus A square equal to BC. Divide with 2BC here, divide with 2BC. You will get cos A equal to 1 by 2. You will get A equal to 60 degrees. Okay, both are equally easy. Okay, one is by the cosine rule and one is by the off angle formula. In exam, of course, you can do anyway if it is a board question. Okay, everybody completed first question, both methods?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, second question, one method is you can use projection rule where you can write cos square C by 2 as 1 plus cos C by 2, cos square B by 2 as 1 plus cos B by 2. And when you open it, you will get B plus B cos C plus C plus C cos B by 2. B plus C and B cos C plus C cos B according to projection rule is A by 2 and that is S. Or you can also go for this, what is that, off angle formulas. Cos square C by 2 is S into S minus C by AB. This is S into S minus B by AC. Here B will cancel, here C will cancel. I can take S by A common. I will get S minus C plus S minus B. S by A into, this is 2S minus B plus C. And B plus 2S is A plus B plus C, so it will become A. S by A into A, which is S. Okay, this one basically secant theta is given and you want to find tan theta. You can write tan theta as root secant square theta minus secant theta equal to A by B minus C. So tan theta equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1, which is root over A by B minus C whole square minus 1. I have to simplify this and prove that. Okay, that's where you can go for two methods if required. It will become A square minus B minus C whole square by B minus C whole square. We can expand this and use part of the cosine rule or factorize this. This will be A plus B minus C into A minus of B minus C by B minus C whole square. This if you add C and subtract C, it will be 2S minus 2C. Here if you add B and subtract B, it will be 2S minus 2B by B minus C whole square. I can take one 2 outside and B minus C outside. I will be left with inside the root S minus C into S minus B. Okay, we know the formula that by BC if it is there, it is sin A by 2. So we can divide with BC and multiply with BC. That is going to be the answer because this is going to be sin A by 2. 2 root BC by B minus C into sin A. Okay, it may not be required for second method, but you can do it. You can expand this and let us see what happens. That is also easy, I think. Maybe that is also better, I will mention. Okay, third question, method 2. I want to continue after this step. So tan theta is will come A square minus B square minus C square plus 2BC by B minus C whole square. That is 2BC minus B square plus C square minus A square by B minus C whole square. And this part I can write 2BC cos A based on cosine rule. 2BC minus 2BC cos A by B minus C whole square. If I take 2BC common, it is 1 minus cos A. And 1 minus cos A is 2 sin square A by 2. By B minus C whole square. Okay, so now everything is the squares are there, we can take it out and it will become 2 root BC by B minus C sin A by 2. I think both methods are good. You can choose whichever thing you want. Or better write both and later on in the exam, and if it comes in a subjective type, you can choose anyone. Okay, quite similar to this, there are two more questions, maybe, or I'll tell some other questions. Or I'll give you one more similar question, you can do it on your own right now. Fourth question, and you don't have to do by two methods, you can do any one method which you feel like. If sine theta equal to a by b plus c, show that cos theta is equal to 2 root bc by b plus c cos a by 2. Okay, so you can go like method 1 or method 2 for fourth question and do by one method sufficient. You want to do by two methods also, you will. Or let me give another that is better. If cos theta equal to a by b plus c, show that sin theta is 2 root bc by b plus c cos a by 2. Both are same, so you can try to do this by half angle formula and this by cosine rule. Okay. So try to complete 4 by one method, 5 by another method. Anybody any doubt in third question, method 1 or method 2? Okay, I'll give some more. Just using off angle formulas, I just wanted to give few questions. That's all.
Fifth question show
Yes,
that
please.
sin theta equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into sin a by 2, sir.
Are you sure, or it is cos a by 2?
Cos a by 2 only, sir.
Cos a by 2 only, because you'll get plus only there. Sin theta equal to root over 1 minus cos square theta, root over 1 minus a by b plus c. Because of b plus c, it will be like that. Okay.
Yes, sir, cos a by 2.
Okay. Actually, there is no difference between this and this. Sin became cos and cos becomes sin. Otherwise, more or less, the question is same. Those who completed 4, 5, 6 is a very easy question. Directly formula, you can try to do it, and then 7. Okay, 4 and 5, even though more or less same questions, we've done 2 different methods just to have an idea that they can be done like this and like this. 6, A is 4, B is 5, C is 7. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 4 plus 5 plus 7 by 2, which is 8. And they wanted cos B by 2. So cos b by 2 is s into s minus a by bc under root. This is 8. This is 8 minus 4 and this is 5 into 7. This is 2. 4 by root 35. 6th one 4 by root 35 only. Sorry. I wrote s minus b here. No? Okay. This
Root
is
3 by 7.
so this is 8 minus 5 and this is 4 into 7. So this is 324. No, root 6 by 7. Under root 6 by 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll complete 7th one and we'll stop. We'll not extend further. Okay, 7th one. Cot a by 2 formula is whenever all three things are there, better to use that where denominator delta easy to cancel something. S into s minus a by delta is to s into s minus b by delta is to s into s minus c by delta is 3 is to 5 is to 7. S by delta you can cancel in a ratio. Now you can take let s minus a is equal to 3k, s minus b is some 5k and s minus c is some 7k. When you add them, you will get 3s minus a plus b plus c is 15k. I can write here. 3s minus a plus b plus c is 15k. But a plus b plus c is 2s. 3s minus 2s is 15k. So s is equal to 15k. That if you substitute, you'll get 15k minus a is equal to 3k. So we'll get a is equal to 12k. Here 15k minus b is equal to 5k. So b will be 10k. And 15k minus c is 7k. So c is equal to 8k. Now we can find a is to b is to c. 12k is to 10k is to 8k. You can cancel 2k, you'll get 6 is to 5 is to 4. Okay, so tomorrow in the morning class, we'll discuss few more questions based on half angle formulas. And then I'll give some homework based on half angle formulas tomorrow in the class. And then we'll go further.